Hello everyone! Today in this video I will be replacing the original front low beam light bulbs on this 2013 Alfa Romeo Giulietta. One simply of the light bulbs went out and I had to replace at least one of them, and I thought instead of going with the original halogen light bulbs again, I would go to the internet and buy the LED replacement light bulbs. I've had enough feedback on one particular model. I've ordered it from AliExpress. It was not expensive. I cannot really remember. It was something around 20 or 30 euros or 15. I don't know. It was something insignificant. But they have already arrived and I will install them. I know that in order to replace a factory halogen light bulb, you don't have to remove the headlight on this Alfa Romeo Giulietta, but it's really complicated when you want to install these LED light bulbs because of the shape of them, and it's I cannot say that it's easier to do it if you remove the headlight. I strongly believe that it's impossible to do it if you won't remove the headlight. And I will not show you how to remove the headlight in this video because I've done it already on one of the previous videos. I will link in the description that video, so if you need to know how to remove the front bumper and then to remove the headlights, you can go to that video and watch it. Disconnect the socket. Now push on this tab to release it. Take out the halogen headlight. Light bulb. And the main reason you cannot do it without removing the headlight is because of this clip. You will not be able to get it around this fan. So to install it, you must remove the tab altogether, then to put it on the light bulb like that, and then spend 20 minutes trying to get everything in place. This is seriously painful and long process. And you know, I will not be able to show anything to you what I'm doing there because there's too little space in there. But anyway, believe me, I'm just trying to get it back into the place. I already hate it. I've done it on one of the headlights. I've done it on the other headlight, and I simply hate it. I've tried to help myself by making a specialized tool from the screwdriver. You can see I made this indent there, so I can try and push on the tab to get it into the place. If you have long pliers, they would do the same trick, but unfortunately mine were not long enough. I hate it so badly. Aha! Yes! So now unlike the halogen light bulbs, the LED light bulbs you can connect in a wrong side. So you have to look where is positive, where is negative side, and then, you know, my guess is, don't have an electrical diagram, but my guess is that the yellow is positive and the brown is negative. The worst thing can happen that the light bulb will not work, and then you can just swap the sides. But now let's see, yeah, positive and negative, like that. Let's put it inside. Okay, close it. Now I will install it to the car. So here you can see it's the same color as the original day running lights. It doesn't really show up on the camera, but it's very nice, cool blue color, and we'll see how it performs in the night. Now it's still not dark enough outside, so I cannot really tell if the headlights are, if the light bulbs are any good. But if I see the projection on the Range Rover, well, they try. These light bulbs are trying to light up my way, so we'll see. Anyway, I hope you found something useful here in this video. The main takeaway is, do not try to do it without removing the headlight. And the second worst thing is, you know, to put back in those tabs. It's really time consuming, and it's, you know, I've cursed a lot during that task. So anyway, I hope you found something useful here in this video, and if you did, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.